Information Guide on how to search an Opac for DLSU-D. Theses and Dissertations. Welcome to the De La Salle University das Marinas, DLSU-D, Library, the Aclatang Emilio Aguinaldo Information Resource Center. Here's a guide for you to explore DLSU-D students and faculty's theses and dissertations using the Online Public Access Catalog or Opac. The Opac is a database containing bibliographic records of all the resources available in the library. It provides information such as title, author, edition, publisher, year of publication and other important details about the library resources. To access the Opac, let's start with the DLSU-D website. There are 3 ways to reach our web page in DLSU-D homepage. 1. Campus Life. 2. Spotlight. 3. Quick links. Now let's take Campus Life as path to go to the library's landing page, then click Enter e-Services to reach the library's main page. You will find the Opac at the upper header of the AEAIRC's webpage. Just click it. Here are simple steps on how to use the Opac for searching theses and dissertations. Let's use language education as our search term. Since the purpose of this tutorial is to search for theses and dissertations, you have to narrow down your search from the material type to manuscript language material, which is the default term for theses and dissertation in the database, then click on the keyword button. If you are looking for a specific title or author, you can choose from any of the title or author buttons. On the results list page, the number of results is displayed. You may sort the list according to relevance, call number, author, date, type, and status. For this demonstration, we choose date from the drop-down menu option and click Go. Notice that the result list changed from the latest to the oldest year of publication. On the right side of the screen, you can find a printable version of the result list. The call number, author, sublocation and the publication year are displayed under the title. By clicking the title, the Opac will provide you a detailed record of your search item. The result contains subject, publication, information and other additional information related to the thesis or dissertation. Want to know more about the thesis details? At the Explore section, you can find links to Abstract and Access Permit. Abstract provides the short summary of a research while Access Permit provides author's terms and condition regarding access to thesis and dissertation. Some authors would like researchers to access the entire paper or only part of it. Others can be accessed by public or exclusive only to DLSU-D academic community or DLSU-D administrators and faculty. If the access permit is unavailable, researchers must ask permission from the author. Once approved, send the approval note of the author to aclatanthesis@dlsud.edu.ph. For research works with access permits, send your request for the credentials to access the full text to aclatanthesis@dlsud.edu.ph. Click full text link under Explore by entering the password provided by the librarian. Other features of the Opac. To find out the available copy of the manuscript, click on the Copies tab. The barcode, call number, status, description and sublocation are found on this tab. You may jump to the next record or go back to the previous one by clicking the page selection. In case you need help in conducting your search, click on the Help links. That ends our session on how to use the Opac for searching DLSU das Marinas theses and dissertations. To learn more about the library's information guides on our resources, services, and facilities, please subscribe to our YouTube channel DLSU-D Library. You may also like and follow us in our social media accounts such as FB page DLSU-D Library, Twitter and TikTok at DLSU-D Aclatan. For more information, please visit our library website at www.dlsud.edu.ph/library.htm. You may also call us at these numbers. or email us at aclaton@dlsud.edu.ph with your questions. The AAIRC is your creative partner in academic research.